down with stuff, so just adjusting the mid-thoracic area through here. Obviously great for mid-back pain. We're just adjusting the mid-back area through here, the mid-thoracic. Great for back pain, also really helps with neck pain, problems into the shoulders, and also helps with breathing and opening up the chest. So just take a breath in and breathe out. Just turn onto your back. And you're just going to lower the carry your hip. Nice. Moving nicely again, let's stimulate some of the nerves that come down your arms into your hands. And just take a breath in. And that's great. It's a mid-back and neck adjustment here at 𝗲𝗄𝗋.